Welcome to the KTT. This is a garden railway that would have to be one of the most beautiful anywhere. It's a 7¼ inch gauge railway on the Mornington Peninsula in Victoria and was constructed by the late Norm Wadesons, well known for his long involvement with Puffing Billy Railway. The railway winds through a beautiful garden, the creation of his late wife Phil, and the railway boasts 3 stations, the first one being Upper Gumtree, the second one being I don't know, and he called it I don't know because when everyone asked him what were you going to call the station, he said I don't know. The third station being Serendipity Siding, which was built for Phil. The railway boasts many bridges, some of which are seen here, and a tunnel that the train runs through. And along with this, we of course have 2 locomotives. The first here being Town, just being restored at Puffing Billy Workshops, and here's Norm with his loco. But his favourite loco was the little red engine called Blanche. And here we are now running on the railway.
Around the back of the hill, comes around the other side of the hill. Oh, that way.
And here we are now getting ready to finish the day's run with town being shut down. But I thought I'd put some historic shots in. Here's my locomotive Katie when it was down on Norm's Railway. Norm was kind enough to adjust my locomotive and rolling stock for many years. And after a rebuild, a coat of paint and some new wheels, here's Katie looking very smart. Katie passing Blanche, and here we are on the turntable at Norm's. Now, this shot's not overly brilliant, but this shows Norm driving his favourite loco with Phyllis in the front seat of the first car. A young Philip Hayes driving Blanche, and myself driving Blanche. And what a wonderful memory that Norm has left us with a beautiful railway. A total credit to him and his friends. Here's a couple of photos taken at Norm's 90th birthday. That was approximately 2 years ago and not long before he passed away. The family have decided at the moment to keep the railway open for the enjoyment of the family and friends, and we thank them very much for the invite to attend. Many thanks.